Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and let me share with you how to change the 3-button navigation into the gestures and gestures to 3-button navigation. Okay, so I will explain both navigation modes, but first of all let me show you how to get into specific settings. So let's open the settings. Right here we have to scroll, not like that, we have to scroll all the way down to find special features. Let's tap on it, and here tap on gestures. They are on the second position. Now tap on navigation mode, and here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So let me start with the 3-button navigation. Obviously we've got 3 different buttons: back button, home button, and recent. Here we can enable or disable the circle to search, up to you, and then tap on the settings, because here we can customize the buttons. So we can basically reorder the back button and the recent. We can set the back button on the left side or on the right side. So as you can see, the back button and the recent will swap the positions. So it's up to you how you wish to use it. And in order to set the gestures, simply tap on this option. Instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line, which is responsible for some gestures. In a second, I'll show you how to use it. We can also enter the settings here. And as you can see, we've got more options to customize. So first of all, we can hide navigation bar. So we can hide this line just by tapping on the switcher. However, hiding the navigation bar will disable the circle to search feature, so I don't want to use it really. I want to hide the navigation bar. Here we've got something called mistouch prevention, swipe to invoke the assistant, and back sensitivity. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this back sensitivity after a while of using the gestures. So you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. You can change it, and it will depend whether you're using the case or not, whether you're playing games, etc. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, and if you can see this arrow, dotted arrow, you can release the finger, and the same situation from the right side. Sorry. If you wish to change between the apps, so for example, you've got the settings opened, but previously you had, I don't know, camera opened, and if you don't want to, turn it off completely, then try to find the camera and open it, you can simply swipe at the bottom. So from the left to the right, and you can move into the different app, and from the right to the left. So this is quite nice. If you wish to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short. So something like that. And if you wish to open the recent, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but elongate it a little bit and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And after releasing, here you've got the recent. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.